I wonder if he's going to like this. I'm so worried. Oops. Sorry, ma'am. Oh, it's you, Yasmin. Yeah, it's me. It's really nice seeing you here. You too. Well, I brought you a prize or... Okay, I brought you something too. Oh, thanks. Nobody ever done nothing like that for me. Yeah. Well, hope you enjoy your gift. Yeah, you too. Thank you. Oh, no problem. I wonder what she got me. Oh, this is so cool! No way! Yes, Way. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a hat! I can use these things for winter. Well, I'm glad you like them. Well, now it's your turn to open yours. Okay. Oh, it's a necklace. Thanks. Freak it. It's beautiful. Sure. I have somewhere where we can go. Here, let's leave our gifts here. Well, okay. Come on. Come on. Wow. Yeah. It's pretty sure dark. Well, what do you want it to tell me? Well, this is what I want to tell you. And I like you. You like me? But yes, I know. Don't tell Twilight. I like you so much. More than any girl. You're so beautiful, you're smart, and you're so pretty that I don't even know it. Why was I being such a jerk and didn't date you? Oh. I like you too, Jason. I kept a secret too, but you didn't even talk to me or anything. You were so mean to me that day. I'm sorry, and I really do like you.